Good afternoon. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Samgelo, Tibilika, I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yeah, but we thank you for availing yourself today as well as tomorrow. Also, I would like to thank you all colleagues for coming to attend this session. You came in numbers, and we thank you for that. Tomorrow is another session. As we can see, there is a lot of teething problems, but we hope that we will address them as we go on. But we try and attend to them as head office. For those officials, as you go back, if you know there are officials who were unable to attend today, there is a similar presentation that will be done tomorrow. I've also noted that there are presentations that have been done to LTOs that I felt that you colleagues need to know about. Earlier on, you were informed that unlike West Bank, where we only know that we deal with West Bank, but for this one, there are 5 different service providers. We have attended one of the sessions that were dealing with tracker system, where we were told that now our cars will even be installed with cameras and all of that. So I should think that officials need to know, and we also need to maybe to arrange another presentation where they will come and be able to ask questions. Because on that day I could see that with the issue of cameras, there were a lot of questions and people wanted to know how is it going to work. Is it going to be looking at me throughout the entire trip? If I come in, I go out, what is it going to be doing? So I think we need to be informed so that we can have clarity as you will be using these vehicles. But I thank you all for attending. It was a very informative session for us. I thank you all and have a safe trip home. Thank you.